Hi and welcome to our cooking show. This is cooking for my daughters. So as you can see, I have my knives out. So today's challenge is making goulash. So some people call it macaroni, tomato soup, and hamburger meat and onions. And a lot of people call it goulash. So you will need for ingredients onions, tomato soup, back to you and when I add the pasta. Hi, we're back, and now let's come to a rolling boil. So we'll add our pasta. We already added some salt to it. We'll put our pandy in there. I do about 3/4 of a bag. I have a large family, so that's the way we do it. And then we'll mix it a little bit here. And we'll come back to you as soon as it's ready. Should take about 9 minutes. Hi, we're back and the pasta is cooked. So we are also going to add tomato juice, but in this case we're going to add a can of diced tomatoes. Before you rinse your pasta, take some of the pasta water out. Just save it and put it aside. Rinse your pasta. Now you're going to add your ingredients. So you're going to add your diced tomatoes, your tomato soup, your other tomato soup, the water from the pasta, and your ground beef and onions. You're also going to add your onions that you cooked earlier, or did you cut up earlier, because the other ones you cooked in it. I'll mix this and I'll be right back. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Goulash. And here's the final product in the plate. And the only thing I'm going to do now is add a little bit of Parmesan. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of salt. And then serve it. Thank you for watching.